For our first video in the Jamaica series, we're going to take you someplace you wouldn't normally think about when going to Jamaica, and that's the Rockland's Bird Sanctuary, just southwest of Montego Bay. This is about a 25-minute ride from Montego Bay, depending on the traffic, and just a warning, the last half a mile is a windy, uphill, bumpy ride up the mountains. We visited on one of the last few days of 2022 and was charged $20 a person for entry. And just like any normal business, sometimes prices and hours of operations change. So just like any of our videos, check the description below for a link so you can check what the current information is prior to you visiting. Shortly after our arrival, the skies opened up and it really downpoured for about 10-15 minutes, and it made the birds go hide out in the woods. So we had a little bit of waiting to do. But as the rain slowed down, the birds started coming back out, and it turned out to be an amazing visit. So to get the birds to come back out, our group tried a few different techniques. The statue, using the force, not making direct eye contact, and just smiling at them.
Using the force, not making direct eye contact, just smiling at them.
Using the force, not making direct eye contact.
Whoa, 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 you can't use the force. Great, now you got them just mocking me and making it look like I have a mustache. Okay, all kidding aside, we apologize for our poor photography here. It was our first stop after a long travel day, and I promised it'll get better as these videos go on. So with the sun back out now, let's just take in some of the sights. While the red-billed streamer-tail hummingbird was the most common bird we saw there, here are some others that we saw on this visit. So whether if you're a bird lover or a nature lover, this is definitely a unique excursion to check out while in Jamaica. Rockland's Bird Sanctuary has also been awarded the TripAdvisor's Certificate of Excellent Award 10 times between 2011 and 2022, as well as being awarded the TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice Award in 2022. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel to follow along with the adventures. And as always, check down in the description for more information. And we hope to see you next time, getting fresh air.